Hello guys, CareCentrix is hiring. For some of you that are familiar with my channel, you know that CareCentrix is one of the organizations that I have done quite a number of videos on. They do have quite a lot of opportunities open right now that they are currently accepting applications for. The first one is titled Post-Acute Care Patient Advocate. So the salary range, as you can see, is between $17 and $18 per hour. CareCentrix obviously is a healthcare organization, and they are looking for someone to come on board and help advocate for their patients by providing support and assistance to nurse coaches. This particular role is going to be telephonic. You're going to be making outreach to patients to ensure that readmission is less. For these patients, you are going to be working very closely with different nurses who are case managers that are managing these patients. So you will be outreaching to them, getting to know these patients, and finding out what exactly you can do for them to help reduce readmission rate, whether it's in inpatient or emergency room. They're hiring for multiple positions for this role. So the location is 100% remote. The start date is Monday, March 18th, and they will train you for this role. That's one of the things I've always liked about CareCentrix. Most of their roles, you get trained to do them. So it would be $18 per hour, 3 to 5 weeks of training, which is going to be paid. And they also have available shifts. They have 2 shifts, multiple shifts. The first one is Tuesday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern, or you can decide to work Sunday through Thursday, where you have Friday and Saturday off. So you get to switch your days off, which can be beneficial, for appointments, especially if you have kids, or even for yourself, right? So you want to have a weekday off so you can run specific appointments that you may have or want to set up for yourself or your family. You are also going to be documenting information. So they need somebody that is very detail oriented, someone that is comfortable communicating with people. So this individual has to have strong communication skills, interpersonal skills, and so forth. They're looking for 1 year medical terminology, healthcare or medical service experience. So as long as you're familiar with different medical terminologies, you have done some form of job in a healthcare setting, you're eligible, and they just need high school diploma for this position. With this opportunity, one thing I do want to also call out with CareCentrix is that in addition to your pay, they do provide a monthly incentive bonus as well. So monthly incentive bonus. So that's another addition to your salary. All right, let's move on to the next role, which is a business analyst role. This position is focused on healthcare analysis. You're going to be working very closely with the economics team to review data. You're going to be making sure that the data analysis is performed on those data points as you receive them, as you review them, and generate different trends from them, create different financial modeling type of strategies to follow, and so forth. Really working to forecast different possible risk due to using those data points. So this individual is going to really be collecting, extracting, analyzing. That is really the role. With this particular opportunity, they are asking for a bachelor's degree in either of these fields, so math, in either of these courses, I should say, math, finance, economics, statistics, and so forth. 1 to 3 years of background in healthcare industry is what they are preferring. It's a preference, so it's not even a requirement. So even if you don't have that, you are still eligible to apply. With this position, they want you to have knowledge in Excel, SQL, as well as Tableau. The salary range is between $60,000 and $75,000 per year, again $60,000 to $75,000 per year. We're going to move on to the next opportunity, which is another analyst role. Is titled Senior Healthcare Analyst Product performance. Again, this opportunity is an analyst role, which means that you are going to be performing a lot of analysis on different information. You're going to be working to make sure that different problems that are identified are resolved in a timely manner. Any type of technical type of issues are escalated, and whenever the business has strategic points that they want to drive home or strategic type of implementations they want to put in place, you will come in, and most of those implementations require IT. You will come in as the bridge between both departments to ensure that all tasks are completed to achieve the ultimate goal. So that is really what this role is. They're asking for bachelor's degree, advanced skills in Tableau, Excel, SQL. So very similar to the first one, because this individual is senior, so they are looking for someone that is quite exceptional in Tableau, Excel, and so forth, as well as SQL. The salary range is between $80,000 and $95,000 per year. Again, $80,000 to $95,000 per year is the range. The last opportunity is titled Coordinator Transitions and Authorization Resolution. This particular opportunity, you are going to be like the first point of contact for patients. You're going to be responsible for receiving and responding to different incoming calls from patients, from providers, and so forth. And you're going to be making sure that whatever they have been tasked to do are being completed in a timely manner. As the individual that takes on this job, you're going to make sure any type of eligibility issues are resolved, insurance verification, all of that comes into play with this particular role. They're asking for high school diploma or equivalent, up to 1 year of previous related or any combination of education and experience, 2 to 5 years experience in managed care, good knowledge of insurance or managed care, reimbursement, customer service, and so forth. So this individual ought to have very strong communication skill set, someone who is very in tune with solving problems, and most importantly, having interpersonal skills, since you're going to really be interacting with a lot of patients. So that is it for this particular role. They're asking for this individual in terms of salary is going to be $17.50 per hour, 2 to 5 years experience in managed care, good knowledge of insurance or managed care, reimbursement, customer service, and so forth. So this individual ought to have very strong communication skill set, someone who is very in tune with solving problems, and most importantly, having interpersonal skills, since you're going to really be interacting with a lot of patients. So that is it for this particular role. They're asking for this individual in terms of salary is going to be $17.50 per hour, and also there is a monthly incentive bonus as well with this role. So those are the opportunities with CareCentrix that are open right now. I hope you find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, and please continue to share with your friends and families. Till next time, take care and all the best to you. Bye bye, guys.